Hello guys, I'm Dr. Gundesh. I'm going to talk to you about obesity related hypoventilation syndrome, OHS. The definition wise it goes like the patient should has obesity related hypoventilation during the daytime also, not only during the sleep. And that hypoventilation is leading to hypercapnia during daytime, that is awake hypercapnia. And you should also rule out the other causes of hypoventilation and hypercapnia together. And diagnosis wise you should satisfy the definition of OHS. How do you do that? For obesity you should calculate BMI that should be more than 30 kg per meter square of body surface area. And for children you should the weight of the child should be more than 95th percentile for the age and sex of the child. For hypoventilation and hypercapnia you should calculate partial pressure of carbon dioxide in artery, that is PaCO2, and that should be more than 45 millimeters of mercury. And we should also rule out other causes of hypercapnia and hypoventilation together. And OHS has got very high mortality and morbidity because of its association with cardiometabolic complications. So you should diagnose and treat it early so that you can avoid those complications. For that you should know the stages so that you can suspect the OHS. So the stages wise it has got 5 stages, stage 0 to stage 4. Stage 0 is just obstructive sleep apnea, and stage 1 and stage 2 in both stage 1 and stage 2 there is obesity related sleep hypoventilation. During daytime the ventilation rate is normal, only during the sleep there is obesity related hypoventilation. So there is normal PaCO2 level during the daytime in both stage 1 and stage 2. The difference is serum bicarbonate levels. In stage 1 serum bicarbonate levels is less than 27 millimoles per liter. In stage 2 it is more than 27 millimoles per liter. Coming to stage 3 and stage 4. Stage 3 and stage 4 are full blown OHS syndrome, that is stage 3 and stage 4 satisfies the definition of OHS, but the difference is only in stage 4 you have got cardiometabolic complications. So we should diagnose this OHS very early so that you can avoid these complications. So this constitutes the topic of OHS. Thank you.